Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from COMFIER. This is the model number CF-2309A Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager with heat and air compression. This is great for putting on maybe a sofa or a sitting area where you would like to get some relief. You can also lay this down flat and lay down on it as well if you would like to. And it's got a wide range of functions. We're going to dig into it now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it's like when it's out of the box. It's pretty big, and it is a little bit on the heavy side, weighing in at about 21 pounds. So be aware of that before you try it. You do get a little thing from COMFIER here saying thank you for your purchase, and you'll also get a user guide, again, for the CF-2309A. And you're going to have all your technical data here showing you everything about the product, written in English, well laid out. It's going to show you the remote control and all of the buttons and all of the button functions, and they do have a troubleshooting guide in here as well, so if you do have any issues you can work through that if you need to. So let's get it out of the way here. Let's set this up and show you exactly what we've got. Now first off, you have a two pin plug that will plug into the power adapter, and then that will end in a barrel connector that you will plug into the side of the massager itself to power it up. Once we set this up upright, we'll get into a little bit more here. I'll have this on a chair, and I'll also have a little bit of a demonstration for you so that you can see exactly what we have going on here. Now at first glance, the back portion is nice and sturdy, very nice build quality from COMFIER. Let's get this set up and we'll show you what we've got going on. Okay, so taking a look at the remote control, at the bottom you're going to have two sections for heat and air, and also your power button, of course. And then at the top we've got a couple different things. We've got the back controls. These are going to be right in your back. You can either do 2D, 3D, or rolling, or spot, which means that you can use the arrow keys to move it up or down. Now you have the neck section as well, and you can move that up or down. And of course the air intensity, and air for the seat for the back as well. And you'll see that the air now for the seat is going to start to inflate, and you can also do it for the back section as well. Heat you can also adjust here and its position. And let's take a listen. You also have vibration up here as well. Okay, so attaching this to your chair is pretty simple. You're just going to want to set it up in the chair. If you have a high-backed chair, you're going to have two sections of elastic bands with Velcro that will secure, one at the top and one at sort of the bottom / middle area here. So we're just going to secure the chair. If you have one that is not a high-backed chair, you'll at least be able to use the lower one to secure it to the chair. Okay, so there's a couple things that we can do with this. You can see at the top you've got your nodules for massaging your neck area, and that can be moved up and down via the remote control. You also have two more on your back area, and that can be moved up and down as well on a track. And you can also remove certain portions of this as well And you, of course, have your seat here that includes heat and, of course, air compression as well for the sides of your legs, which works out really, really well. You also have this air compression on the side here for your back. Now, this is going to kind of move in and put pressure on the sides of your back as well. If you need to have an overview of the remote control, which I've kind of already showed you here, you can see that you have all of your controls right here, and there is a nice pocket on the side that you can store your remote control as well. Another thing to mention here is that you can remove a couple pieces of this, including the back pad here. It's got some Velcro up here, and you can remove this, and this is going to give you a stronger massage. You can see now the nodes there light up a little bit. Using the pad is going to be a little bit of a lighter massage, and not using the pad is going to be a little bit stronger. Now you can see I can move those nodules up and down to get it in the right place on my back if I want to target a specific area, which is really, really nice. Now, if we turn on the heat, those nodules will turn from blue to red, letting you know that you're getting heat in that specific area. You also can put the heat on for a couple different areas. As you can see, there are two buttons to the left. Activating the air pressure or air massage, you're going to be able to see that these flaps will actually come in and do a pretty good job at hugging the sides of your back and the sides of your legs and hips as well, which is a great feature to have. Also, at the top here, we have a removable cover here that can be removed by a zipper. And you can remove this for cleaning if you want to. So you can remove this, throw it in the washer, and you can put it back on when it's all washed up and cleaned. We also have nodules at the top that will massage your neck, as I mentioned before. Turning those on, you'll see those start to move here. And again, these are on a track, so I can adjust the height of these as well. So if I want it, closer down towards the top of my shoulders, I can move it down. If I want it at the closer to the top of my head, I can move it up, and the same for the mid-back as well. Using the up and down arrows, we can definitely spot, target troubled areas. Once in and everything is running, this is super comfortable. It really covers pretty much every area that I can think of for me, and I'm average height about 5'9", not over 6 foot, not under 5 foot, somewhere in that average range, and it seems to cover every area that I need it to cover. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with what COMFIER has put together. You can see I've got it set up on my office chair, and it worked out really well. Being able to target those tough to get to spots with the neck and the mid-back all the way down into the lower back is really, really nice. And then, of course, the addition of the air compression, heat, and vibration is excellent. So there you go, that's my review of the COMFIER CF-2309A Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager with heat and compression. You can easily move this from a couch or other seated areas to an office chair like I did, and it was great. It's a little bit on the heavy side, so be prepared for that if you are going to get it. But it does target those specific areas with those moving nodules in the upper back to mid-back, and of course your neck area and shoulder area, as well as the welcome addition of heat, air compression, and of course vibration as well. Overall, I had a great time with the COMFIER, and I think they've got a great massager in the 2309A. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.